actually, LeBron was probably the best leader, young leader I've seen. And I was kind of jealous of him because he got to do stuff I could never do. Like, coach would be like, hey, man, we practicing the 10. LeBron would be like, no, we practicing 12. All right, practice the 12. And I was like, God damn, like, he get to bring his family members on the plane and people on the plane. So I was like, I've been a man for a long time. I never really had this much power. So,
what did you think about playing with LeBron was going to be like? And then what was it like when you actually got there?
I wish I would have met 2 years earlier.
What was it like letting him be the leader?
He was actually really good at it. I mean, like can't do that everywhere. Like, he's Bron. I know I'm Shaq, but I'm the Shaq that has ruled many continents and is on his way out. So I'm just really coming in to be an advisor to him. Never had to say anything. Like, the way he ruled was like actually perfect.